Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off and unplugging the headset to avoid accidental pulls. Once done, lay a towel on a flat surface and place the headset ear cup up. Use a small flat tool or your fingernail at the inner seam, pry gently to loosen the lip of the ear pad. Work around the circumference in short, careful pulls. The pads are held by a rubberized lip, so you're not ripping anything, you're unseating the gasket that snaps into the ear cup groove. After removing the old pad, wipe the mounting ring and groove to remove debris and sweat. This ensures a snug fit. Next, take the new pad and align its inner lip with the ear cup's groove at one point, then work clockwise. Stretch the lip only a little at a time and press it into the groove incrementally. This controlled method prevents tearing and ensures even seating. If you feel resistance, stop and realign rather than forcing. The lip should tuck in. Make sure the pad lip is uniformly seated with no visible gaps. Press around the rim to confirm a full snap. Once seated, plug in and test sound and microphone levels at moderate volume to verify there's no muffling or imbalance. Wear the headset for a few minutes to confirm comfort and seal. If you notice uneven fit or sound, remove and reseat the pad, or swap sides to see if the problem follows the pad. That diagnosis tells you if the pad or the cup needs attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.